Okay, so good morning everyone. Welcome back to our online class, and today is Monday. It's the first day of the week. Okay, so how was your weekend, everyone? So I believe that you are doing fine. And alright, so today we will start on our Hangout 5 together in the first video. So for this first video, we will work on the reading. Okay, but before we are going to start on the reading today, teacher would like to review all of you about the lesson that you studied so far in the previous video. Okay, so teacher taught you about the transition word. Okay, so what are the transition word, everyone? Okay, so there are the word first, next, then, after that, and finally. So these are what we call the transition word. Okay, so why do we need to use the transition word? For example, like now we are on our reading and we also use the transition word as well. Okay, so the reason we use the transition word is in order to tell someone about the steps that you will do something. For example, like if you want to tell someone that how to bake a cake, so you will use the transition word. Like the first, you need to heat the oven, and next you will do blah blah blah, and then you will do blah blah blah. Okay, this is about the transition word usage. Okay, and now we also talk about the cooking word as well. So in the previous video, we also studied about the cooking words such as the word flour, sugar, oven, boil, whisk, stir, mix, and heat. So these are about the things that you studied already. Okay, and everyone, today we are going to page. So today we are on page 12. Okay, so now let's go to page 12 together and we will work on the reading. Okay, so our reading title is Recipe Chocolate Chip Muffin. Okay, so we know that what is recipe? Yeah, so recipe is, like it's about the instruction of telling someone how to do something. Okay, and today we are going to learn how to make a chocolate chip muffin. Okay, yeah, it's a kind of cake that's so sweet and also it has the chocolate flavor as well. And we are going to learn about the ingredients. We are going to know about the ingredient of how to make that muffin, and also we know how to make it as well by looking at the method. Okay, so everyone, now let's first start talk about the ingredient in the cake, right? Okay, you know ingredient? Yeah. So ingredient that we have for the cakes, we need to have 2 eggs. Okay, so if you want to buy, okay, so you can go to the market and then you can get some eggs. But for making muffin, we have only 2 eggs. And next, we need sugar. Yeah, we need the white sugar or the brown sugar as or what you want. Okay, so by the way, you need sugar. So after that, you need to have the chocolate chip. Yeah, actually chocolate chip is just like a bunch, like a bank of chocolates that you can get from the market as well. Okay, and next is you need to have milk. Milk and flour is a major flavor and also the ingredient that you need to have the most, because in order to make the cake you have to have the flour and then you need to add milk, right? Okay, these are the ingredients. So how many ingredients do we have for making the muffin? There are 2 eggs, sugar, chocolate chip, flour, milk. Okay, so there are 5 ingredients that you need to have for making the muffin. Okay, so as what you can see in the picture as well. 2 eggs, sugar, chocolate chip, milk, and flour. Very good. Now let's learn how to cook it together. So this is the method. Method here is about the way that you do something. Okay, so this is the recipe on doing it. First, heat the oven. Let's heat the oven. 2. Next, whisk the eggs in the bowl. 3. Add the milk and sugar and whisk some more. Okay. 4. Add the flour and mix everything together. 5. Then stir the chocolate chips into the bowl. 6. After that, put the mixture into muffin cups. 7. Finally, put the muffins in the oven for 25 minutes. Okay, so hope you understand about how to make the muffin, because I also show you in the video as well. Okay, so hopefully you guys can make the muffin, and please let me know how your muffin tastes like. Okay, this is the end of the first video. See you in the next video.